Yo, what is going on, guys? Coming at you with another investing video today. This video is going to be about purchasing Ibonds if you're looking for some 9% interest in a very safe security, that is. First things first, we're going to pop up the old Google, pop up Treasury Direct. It's going to be the very first hit. It's going to be treasurydirect.gov. Check it on out. You got all this stuff in there, the log into your account, this and that. These are going to be government bonds that, they have pretty nice yield. I have a few of them. I buy a few for my daughter. Is Treasury Direct legitimate? It's like asking if the government's legitimate. Don't ask that. You're silly if you ask that. But when you go to the website, you're going to see the little purple, I guess I'm colorblind. You can see up in the top right-hand corner, you see the account login. You will see Treasury Direct as the very top one. You can read the website. The website's pretty cool. You can check it out. It's pretty interesting. You get some useful information, but click on Treasury Direct Login to start, and then there's going to be a little button on the bottom that says to log in. This is when you're going to go next, because I'm assuming that you do not have an account. If you have an account, this is where you log in at. The login process is very secure, and it does take quite a long time. It might be quite annoying if you ask me, but the process is very secure. It's going to keep your information secure, and I'm gonna... Alrighty, and once you click on login, you're going to see your account number login if you have one. The forgot your account number if you forgot your account, and the one we're looking for, new customer, open an account. We're going to give it a click on there. It's going to show you just 3 easy steps to open up your Treasury Direct account so you're able to purchase these government I-bonds. You have step 1, you have step 2, you have step 3. Once you click continue on that, you're going to pop up what account do you want. Mostly, we're just going to be going for an individual account, but hey, if you're doing it for a corporation, partnership, LPP, anything else, you can do that for that. And the account information is going to be the account order information. You're just going to need your name, your social security, this and that, phone numbers, contacts, your address. They're going to need to know everything about you because this is, once again, this is investments and, money laundering and stuff. You can't get around that. But bank information, you can put your bank information on in there. And it's a very safe place to put your bank, that's for sure. But we're going to go back a couple times right on in here and go right back. Once we've finished up on our account, if you have any questions, throw them in the comment section below. Click that top right-hand corner once again. Click login. You're going to have your account number. You will be able to enter your account number. I'm not going to do it on the screen because I do not want to lose my account. Make sure you keep this number safe from everyone. And I'm going to log into my account and I'm going to show you what that looks like. And now we are actually in my account. As you can see, I do own a $100 Series I savings bond. As you can see, I do have Shaggy, always protect your account information. And as you can read on in there, I-bonds are currently hitting 9 point, I believe that says 62%. My eyes are absolutely terrible. But read in the asterisks, every 20 years, they will double your money. So this is a fine investment. Say you have a child. As you can see down in the bottom of the account listing, I am a custodial on Madison Savings, which is my daughter, which will be doubling money over the course of 20 years before she's able to get these bonds instead of using the money and losing all of it. But at the very top, you can see you have your account, current holdings, manage direct, buy direct. You just click on buy direct. You can click Series I bonds and you click submit. And you can purchase bonds directly from there. Since you did enter your bank account information, it might take a couple days to do that. But once you do that, they will be sent to your account. You can buy them as gifts if you'd like. If you do have any questions, throw those below. Just check it on out right on in here. Get your account set up. And yeah, it's a fantastic place. Check it out. Thank you for watching.